stop scrolling, your relationship could quietly break in the next 24 hours or become stronger than it's been in months. And most couples don't even realize which one they're choosing. In the next few minutes, I'll show you 5 simple things that can completely shift your relationship today. But one of them, it's the reason most relationships fail because people avoid it. And no, this is not about buying gifts, planning expensive dates, or pretending everything is okay. This is what actually works. If things feel distant, tense, or off lately, this might be the reset your relationship desperately needs. Let's start with the most important one. Feelings first conversation. Not small talk, not how was your day. Give me 20 minutes, just 20. Say this, I want to understand you better. Then do something most people never do. Listen without defending yourself. Because the truth is, most relationships don't break from lack of love. They break from lack of understanding. Genuine appreciation. This changes everything. Here's something scary. People don't leave relationships because they feel hated. They leave because they feel unseen. Today, send 5 simple messages. Not I love you. Be specific. I noticed what you did and I appreciate it. That one sentence can soften walls you didn't even know existed. Create a connection ritual. You don't need a fancy date. You need presence. 1 hour, no phones. A walk, music, even silence together. Because intimacy isn't built in big moments. It's built in consistent small ones. Fix small problems fast. Most people fail here. This is where relationships slowly die. Not from big fights, but from small, ignored tension. Say this instead. When that happened, I felt this. Can we try something different? No blame, no attack, just clarity. And this is the part most people avoid, which is exactly why their relationship keeps repeating the same problems. Make one shared plan. No plan equals no direction. And no direction, that's where emotional distance grows. So today, decide one thing together. Something simple. Because when 2 people move forward together, the relationship feels safe again. Strong relationships aren't built on perfection. They're built on being heard, feeling valued, staying connected, fixing things early, and moving forward together. Do this for 24 hours and you'll feel the difference. Which one will you try first? Comment it below. I read every single one. And if you want more real relationship psychology like this, subscribe. Because sometimes small changes create the biggest shifts.